Passenger Bettina Rogers captured video of a Spirit Airlines flight take off from Jamaica to Florida before turning around for an apparent mechanical problem. A chiming signal can be heard twice in the cabin. The meaning is unclear.
Initially, he said a sensor issue. That's what prompted us to turn back around.
Rogers said the pilot said the plane needed to turn around to make an emergency landing in Jamaica.
He was turning around as we was over the water. That went from emergency landing to emergency water landing.
The plane landed safely back in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Rogers' video shows orange life vests on the floor as passengers deplaned. Spirit Airlines said in a statement the plane safely returned to Jamaica out of an abundance of caution following a suspected mechanical issue.